like this.
Says hello. What's up you guys, it's Fam. Today I decided to film my room tour because this has been so requested ever since I uploaded my last video, which is a DIY room decor video. If you just randomly clicked on this video and have never seen my face before, then hi, I'm Fam and I upload videos here every week, and I'd love for you to stick around and subscribe because we're in January, and January means that my bride videos have started again. Freaking bright colors and everything is what I live for. So if you like bright colors and stuff, then you should subscribe. Make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up and let's get started. So when you walk in my room and look to the left, I have this ladder that I got from a store that's called Maison du Monde, and I've just got a white rug over it with some fairy lights. Then on my dresser I have a mirror that I use every day for my makeup, with a little fragrance, some candles, and this benefit bag, which is super cute. It's like a little shell. And then I have this painting that says "You got this," with like little cactuses. I love it. I love all the bright colors on it. And then I have my Polaroid camera, a book, and a little plant, and some more knickknacks. So on the first shelf I just have Zoella's second book. I have an old planner, a little journal, a book from Urban Outfitters, and a travel journal. Besides that, I've got two little notebooks, a candle, a lip kit, and a little box with more knickknacks. The three magazines on top of my second shelf are the Mr. Wonderful Ideas collection magazines. If you speak Spanish, you can go buy them. They are so inspiring. And the little pineapple you saw is from Primark, and the little jar that says Aloha is from a lemonade shop in Hawaii. The old pillow I actually got from my best friend. It's Hedwig from Harry Potter. The rest of the pillows are from Primark and Maison du Monde. Then the little hexagon corkboards are from my last video actually. They're a DIY that I made. Then the reindeer is also from a DIY video I made a long time ago. I will link every single video down below. So my lamp is from IKEA and my clock is from Maison du Monde, I'm pretty sure. The blue collage you see is from a DIY video as well. Just so happy to see one is from Maison du Monde. You never get bored with YouTube with the pink frames from Etsy. And my VidCon pass is from VidCon. And then this dream catcher is from a small store in Holland, and I honestly don't remember what it's called, but it's so cute. So I'm actually collecting a bunch of like these wooden beach house vibe little plates that I am hanging in the corner of my room. And then on top of my LX9 drawer I have my makeup and a bunch of like makeup magazines. And then I'm gonna be really basic here, but in my LX9 drawer I store all of my beauty products, so hair, skincare, all of that, which is really basic, I know, oh my god. Then on top of my desk I've just got the, you know, the normal stuff that people have on desks. I've got pens, I've got notebooks, and all that. Then this wooden mini dresser I got from IKEA, but I actually spiced it up in one of my DIY videos from last year. And I've got some sticky notes in there, I've got some skincare on top of there, and then I've got my binder from online school. Then on the right of my desk I have my little poof with a unicorn on it, and I've got a little collage on the wall and a magazine holder that doesn't have magazines in there. And then on my closet I normally just have like a bag or backpack hanging. And then I've got this little picture collage thingy that I also made in my last video, and then we're back at my door where my jackets are normally just chilling. So that was my room tour. I really hope you guys like it. If there's anything that I didn't mention where I got it from, then totally ask me down below, because I'm obviously not gonna mention every single thing. But if you ask me, then I hope that I can help you out with that. Like I said before, totally make sure to subscribe if you aren't subscribed to my channel yet. That would mean so much to me. And yeah, I guess that's all for today. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! We go on every night.